All right, let's see here. What is going on, everybody? Happy New Year's. It is a new year, the very first trade of the new year. These are kind of right in your fucking face a little too much. Kind of like those, rather than like 25%. Just my eyes, man. It's like 25% just better from a clarity standpoint. Just gonna be watching US30, NAS100 here as always. So, oh my god, we're getting spammed with messages. Clean this up a little bit here. Oops. And just clear some of this shit out. It's a little too nasty. What everyone do for the New Year's? Hopefully no one boozed and cruised. Oh my god, we were all the way up here before. This really came down. All right. What's up? We're watching US30, NAS100 here. Gonna obviously give it more time before we send the signal out. US30 is pushing back to the upside here a little bit. Same thing with NAS100. NAS100 a little bit more consolidating right here in this zone. So it's kind of consolidating right here, but let's see what she does. US30, I feel like US30 is going to give us some wicks here. I feel like US30 is going to give us some wicks here. Let's get rid of the coffee stream. We already have our coffee. Our coffee is not the hottest today, but she'll do. Yeah, where is everybody today? Nobody's trading right now. That's alright. More money for me, I guess. US30 is pulling back here a little bit, but again, we'll give it. Really don't want to like take anything until we get close to the market. A lot of people might be trying to jump in trades right now, but I'm not going to. I could, not going to though. So, damn, US30 sinking some fucking wicks here. Same thing NAS100. I don't want to take anything right now. US30's pulling back a little bit. NAS100's trying to pop back up. I'd like to see a really nice sell up here with NAS100. I feel like NAS100 could be the bigger breadwinner today. Get these tunes rolling here. NAS100 should sell off nice hard. Should sell off real nice. NAS100's already pulling fucking back. I'm live on YouTube, so if people are enjoying, that's fucking on them. NAS100's really pulling back here. Fuck. It's too early for me to jump in though. This is way too early for me to jump in. I don't want to chase anything. There isn't much news today. I mean, it's a bank holiday for bank holiday, CHF. Yeah, I mean, there's really no news today. So, it's, I mean, CAD, manufacturing PMI, there's really nothing. So, not a whole lot of news. NAS100 is dumping a lot already. Shit, that sucks. Fuck. I don't want to chase NAS100 right now. That's the thing. That sucks. Yeah, NAS is really dropping. She's already dropped like 20 points. So just don't want to chase it though. Hoping we still got like what 15 minutes to the market open, so hopefully she still pops back up here. But we've seen a lot can happen in 15 minutes. So I mean, not so push all the way back up here to the 25,500 area. So, but what's up, Ellen? Good morning. What's up, Patrick? Good morning. So Gates FX, you know, you could obviously deposit now with your credit or credit card, debit card. They have that as an option, so it's pretty cool. US30, I want to fucking see US30 stay up here. I don't want to see US30 pulling back. What the fuck? Doesn't have 2 R's. Why does this thing keep fucking dropping every... I don't understand, man. People say, "Hey, go live on YouTube," and like nobody shows up. Like I just feel like just some things are just a waste of my fucking time, man. Just honestly, I just feel like some things are just a waste of my fucking time. It's just pointless. I'm gonna give zero fucks in 2026, man. Just kick people left and right and just ban them. Oh, how come I don't have access no more? Just 'cause I don't give zero fucks, just like you don't. Hey, I'm profitable. I'm profitable every single week. It's clearly others that are not. So let them figure it out, I guess. I don't know anymore. Alright, well, fuck it. I'm gonna start putting the signals out there in the Telegram group. So, talk about these Wyman and so. US30 is fucking dropping already, bro. So, selling US30, 48, 22-ish area. I want the US30 keep selling off here, but take what the market gives us. As always, fuck, it's already dropping here. NAS100 dropping hard as well. Damn. Selling NAS100. NAS100 is going to be risky. They're both kind of more on the risky side today. So keep that in mind. US30s, I take profit 1 already. So US30 is at TP1. US30 is already dropping nice here. Like I said, we still got fucking time till the market opens. Kind of got not the greatest fill on US30. Not the greatest fill on US30, but I'll take it. NAS100 dropping a lot here. I don't see US30 basically break this low. Keep dropping down. NAS100 I think is going to be like breadwinner today, even though I'm not in it. But 7 minutes till the bell rings. Like I said, I want to see US30 basically break this low. And they keep dropping down. to this next low here. So US30 is at take profit at 1. Let's see it come down towards our take profit at 2. Man, NAS100 is a little bit more on the clean side, but let's see US30 keep bleeding here. Like I said, US30 is actually my main watch here. Let's see keep coming down. 48 195 is where I wanted to see it hit next. 48 195. 48 195. Should tracing a little bit. That's fine. I get room for it to breathe. The wicks are kind of on the scary side is what's kind of bothering me here, which I think today's definitely going to be like a nail and bail kind of day here. Let's see US30 keep dropping here. $40 people viewing this. Oh, I guess 40 is better than nothing, I guess. But again, I don't do these for myself. I do them for other people. So it is what it is. Let's see here. Might just be a lot of people not trading today. NAS100 is pushing back up here, so US30 should be dropping off here. About 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes of rings. US30 wicks are definitely scaring me here, but you know, I think she's playing fucking games with us, is what I think. Now we're back in the profit zone with US30. If we can crack this fucking low here and keep dropping. Take profit too, almost hit. US30 is just really fucking all over the map here. US30, we need to crack this lows and keep dropping towards these next lows. Need to drop this area of 48, 194 and keep dumping down to 48, past 148, 195. Market's about to open here. There we go. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm in the trade. There you guys go. And I'm gonna take off half. Yeah, I'm in the trade. So, yeah, I'll take that win. And then I'm gonna close out the rest. Actually, I'm going to adjust my stop loss to yeah. Well, the US30 was the breadwinner today. Like I said, I'm in this trade live, by the way, so I'm up basically $8,000. There you go, up $11,000. So, oh my God, US30 is dumping here. I'm up $14,000. I'm probably gonna take more off to a partial. Actually, we'll take off 0.50. Close 0.50. I'm gonna grab my stop loss. Bring that bitch all the way down. Closed. Gonna probably just close it out here. Oh, let's start breaking this low here. Probably gonna close. I'm closing out right now. Let's see here. Let's grab this stop loss, bring that right there. Still up $10,000 floating, 11,000. Gonna get ready to close it out here. Adjusting my stop loss, my trailing stop loss. Floating 11,000. Just reading the chart right now. Let's see, keep bleeding out here. Let's see, she's dropped hard. NAS100 faked everything out. Volume's still coming in here on US30. I'm gonna get ready to close it. I'm all out. I just closed US30. So yeah. I am probably done. Like I said, I feel like honestly this YouTube shit's a waste of my fucking time. I do a lot to try and give back, help others. It's all a waste of my time. Honestly, you give shit for free. I don't know. You charge for stuff. People say you're a scammer, you're a fake, you're fraud. You give shit for free. Nobody appreciates it. So it's all just a waste of my time. Honestly, just like the Discord group. Like, look how that turned out. So So NAS100 is dropping here. Well, NAS100 is playing. Fuck, NAS100 is playing games, bro. NAS100 did hit take profit 1, but US30 was definitely the breadwinner today. Dropped fucking 200 fucking points. Hey, my boy Davey made 4,500 today. NAS100, let's see if NAS100 could actually drop here. NAS100's been a bitch all day, dude. Look, NAS100 is basically a doji. NAS100 should be a clean sell-off here as well. We're struggling with this one. I'd like to see NAS100 fall through and break basically these lows. If NAS100 keep dropping here, I'll jump in NAS100. NAS100 keep dropping, I might jump in this one. US30 still fucking bleeding out, dude. I might jump in NAS100 here. Though NAS100 is not very clean. US30 still bleeding out. NAS100, if it could break this area of 25,443, it's basically, yeah, she should have a nice little flush to the downside. Okay, so I'm in NAS100. I am in NAS100 right now. So NAS100 is almost about to hit our take profit too. US30 is still fucking bleeding out, dude. So NAS100 is almost at our take profit too. I'm gonna pay myself a little bit more with this one. I'm gonna do a partial with this one as well. 0.50, because I don't like the way NAS100 is just trading here. I haven't really liked it all day. US30, man, I still kind of wish maybe I held a little bit more with US30, but whatever. Like I said, I'm in NAS100 right now, but this one I might end up getting stopped out on. I did adjust my stop loss, do some profit here. She almost hit our take profit 2, not quite our take profit 3, but this one's just fucking been weird all day. What's up, Gary? Yeah, a lot of people really like that lives, but again, it's just a waste of my time. But just don't even care to do it. It's literally just a waste of my time. It's hard to fathom and swallow doing these when there's people on YouTube live streaming with demo accounts, so, or prop accounts, you know. They've got like hundreds of people watching them, so it is what it is, I guess. Might get stopped out here with NAS100. Yep, I'm all out with NAS100. So, US30 still bleeding out here. Total P&L on the day is basically 30,982. So, yep. Not gonna jump back in anything else. So, what the fuck is that? NAS100, dude. This one's just been a hard one all day. Almost, she was almost at take profit too, but just yeah, I just fuck. Oh, it's my iPad. Turn the bitch off. NAS100. Again, I'm not gonna jump back in this one. I am basically done on the day. Might run out and get another cup of coffee. Well, I guess maybe I shouldn't feel so bad because this guy trades by Matt has 230,000 subscribers. He's only got 463 people watching him. So, I mean, what is that percentage? 231,000 subscribers, only 400 people watching you. What's that percentage? Kind of shit. This other guy's got 50,000 subscribers. He's only got 100 people watching him. Well, I guess it doesn't help the fact that he's got the word Jesus, day trading in Jesus. Okay, clown. You know, I think people gotta start leaving the word Jesus and God out of shit with like social media and trading. It's actually really fucking annoying. I get really tired of hearing everybody like God this and God that and Jesus this is Jesus that. It's like, dude, shut the fuck up. It's like seriously. It's like, hey guys, I just got a brand new Lamborghini. I thank God every day. What the fuck you thanking him for, motherfucker? You worked for that car. He just just shit it out of the sky. I think it's important to think whatever your religious beliefs are, which I don't have any. I think you just need to I don't know, you're gonna thank God for anything. Thank for your health, but even then, I don't know, man. There's little kids that are sick and dying right now in this world with cancer or other rare diseases, so I don't know where God is on that one. So it is what it is. I still can't believe how much US30 dropped today. Now NAS100 squeezing up. Jesus. Market's weird today, that's for sure. Man, US30 still chilling, but NAS100 just ripping all the way to the upside. They came down. She was almost at our TP2 and then our TP3, but Just I was like, that's why I adjusted my stop loss. I was like, I'm fucking getting on this thing for some sort of profit or break even. So but I'm not gonna take any more trades. So might get a coffee. Another one. My boy Davey, he got that sell off with US30 with me. Bro, I got a meeting in 10 minutes with this guy. Fuck. I hate meetings. You guys have any questions? You guys got me for like 5 more minutes. I wouldn't necessarily say I trade against the trend. I don't know, I have my own fucked up way of trading, my own like little style strategy, which some people don't understand, some people don't like it, but I'm profitable every single week, so I've never had I don't have red weeks anymore. I'll have red days, but I don't have red weeks, so. You know, it's kind of funny, it's like the whole Telegram signals group, like people come, they sign up, they cancel, but then it's like, when they cancel, move on, like they're not profitable, it's like, and they never will be, like they'll never be profitable. Never. If they're not in my circle, like they're not gonna be profitable. Like I guarantee everything I have. I guarantee like my mom's life. I'll put my mom's life on the line. Like if they're not in my circle, they're not. They will never, never be profitable. Never. So that's a lot to stake. But because I've seen this, I've seen, you know, the pattern. Trading is all about like breaking the code, breaking the pattern. Once you do that, then you're basically cruising on the gravy train with biscuit wheels. But it's a pattern, it's a code to everything, and if you can't break it, accept it, then just it is what it is. But like I said, every day is different for me, you know. So I wouldn't say I necessarily trade like a certain pattern or like opening range breakout, or it's just every trade is different. I approach the market every day based on, you know, multiple factors. So, well, there's multiple things, right? When it's Friday, we're going to the weekend. We're coming back from a holiday, right? New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, news, Forex Factory. These are all things that you have to like line up. Hence why they call it having a trading checklist, right? You got a checklist. So like we'll use this for example. Hold on a second. You know, it's like a job, man. I mean, you know, a job you got like what's it's like waking up in the morning and you're going to your job. Okay, what do? You probably like take a piss, right? So you check that. Okay, you take a shower, check that. You know, brush your teeth. Okay, brush your teeth, right? Put on clean clothes, check that. Deodorant, blah, check that. And then, okay, get in your car. You know, you drive, get yourself a cup of coffee at Dunkin' Donuts. McDonald's, you check that. You get to your job. When you get to your job, you want to make sure you're getting paid, right? Well, you might have to clock in. When you clock in, you might have like, a list of things, you're doing for the day. Okay, let's say you're welding. Let's say you're a fabricator. Okay, well, I'm sure you got some sort of like folder or some drop box, or like they drop off a list of, new things that need to be welded. Okay, so you check that. And it's like trading. You just gotta follow your checklist, you know? If you don't have a trading checklist, then you're kind of just, if you don't have a trading checklist and a list of steps you follow, then basically this is what you're doing every day. You're coming and just trying to throw darts at a dartboard. That's exactly what you're doing. So you gotta have some sort of checklist. So, dude, 2025, look at this. US30 is pushing back up now. NAS100 is kind of chilling. 2025 was my biggest year. 2025 was my biggest year ever. My biggest profitable revenue in like ever. So, guess what? My life isn't any fucking different. I'm still wearing like the same clothes every day. I'm still wearing the same clothes every day. I'm still fucking shopping at Walmart for fucking groceries and socks, and still do need to clean my diet a little bit. Not so much fucking soda. Drink a lot of soda. But my life isn't any different. So could have went and bought any new nice Rolex watch. No interest in that. Could have went and bought any new nice exotic supercar, hypercar. No, not interested in that. Toys. Bought a jet ski. But yeah, that's about it. I think my biggest purchase this year was my New Zealand trip. So I think that trip was over 30 grand. So I just, I'm getting old. So I've lost interest in a lot of things. So like I said, I've gotten old. So I don't, maybe if I was like 21 again, I'd be buying all that shit up again. Because you're buying all that shit trying to get laid. But I just don't have any interest in it no more. Yo, is my boy Davey still here? Is he still on the stream? Oh, my boy Davey's still on the stream. I got something funny to tell him. He's gonna laugh, dude. Bro, I bought a fucking Fitbit. I bought a Fitbit. I had it on my watch I was wearing it on my wrist for like a day, and then I ended up like taking the one part off, like the counter part. I cut it off, the band part, and I shoved it in my pocket. And I was wearing it like that. My buddy's like, that ain't gonna work like that, dude. And like, I was like, no, it'll be fine. And he's like, no, it's not gonna work. And then sure thing, like it wasn't working. Like it didn't count the steps correct. And I can't wear anything. I don't like wearing stuff on my wrist. I don't like wearing jewelry. So anyways, I basically bought this $100 Fitbit that I cut up to put in my pocket to keep track of my steps, and it didn't fucking work. So I basically cut this thing up for nothing, and now it's basically trash. But apparently your iPhone keeps track of your steps. Didn't know that. US30 pushing back up. NAS100. I can't believe NAS100. This one, I thought for sure NAS100 was going to sell off hard here. It had potential. It pushed up, sold off. I thought for sure she was going to keep dumping her, but she just took off running, man. So but might be done here. Watch the actual market. To manage, going to watch Forex pairs the rest of the day. So if you guys are interested in joining the Telegram, the link is below the video. We do have the Discord, but I don't even share the link for that no more. Just because, I don't know, man. Discord, I try over and over and over with this thing. It is really hard to have and manage a Discord group. I don't know what it is. Like, I feel like you have to have a whole group and team of people. And then everybody wants to put their hand in the cookie jar and make money off of it and get paid for it. It's like, I don't even fucking make money. I don't even make money from the Discord. How are you expect to make money? So, like I said, I'll just leave it for people, but I'm more than likely just gonna fucking I'll leave the Discord open for people that are already in it, but I'm more than likely just gonna fucking leave it because it sucks. It just fucking sucks. I'm one guy. I can't be fucking stretching myself out between YouTube. I'd rather just be on YouTube and Telegram signals. Dude, look at this. NAS100 faking people out again. Squeezing right back out. NAS100 should have been a cleaner trade today, but US30 was the breadwinner for sure. I can't believe how much US30 just dumped. That volume just came in, just took off dumping. So it's okay, Slay. I mean, you're here every day. You're number one, dude. Casely's number one every day. How can you can't have two? This isn't Trade Locker. You can't do this on Trade Locker. You have to do this on trading. So what you're seeing here is Trading View. Paid version. Ugh. My fucking back, dude. What we got planned this weekend? I think I'm gonna watch Lord of the Rings. You know, I asked people what the fuck do they think would be better and easier to go live on Discord or live on YouTube. Nobody ever really fucking answered that question. I feel like YouTube will definitely bring in more people. Mountaintops. Go up into the mountains. Yeah, I feel like I said YouTube will just bring in more views, more people. I think it'll help. I feel like it'll help my channel. NAS100, dude, these wicks are insane. US30 is pushing all the way back to the upside. We still here. Just keep growing. Yeah, like you said. Just keep grinding and growing, grinding and growing. So they can do. I was supposed to have a meeting with this guy 5 minutes ago. I'm not gonna do the meeting with him today. I'll catch him next week. Man, I won an iPad. Not iPad. I won a MacBook Pro from Gates FX, dude. I'll tell you what, a MacBook is a big ass learning curve, but it's super nice. It's super, super fast, and the battery life lasts forever on this fucking thing. Who's got a MacBook? Anybody got a MacBook here? I feel like a lot of people crack up listening to me. Because people say I say things that like you normally like wouldn't hear someone say. NAS100 coming all the way back down. At least I'm not gonna take it though. I'm not gonna overtrade. Some people will be overtrading today, but it's definitely faking people out left and right. I'll be super pissed if NAS100 comes all the way down and basically takes out these lows that we've been watching all day. Later, Keith. Have a good one, man. Have a safe weekend. NAS100. Let's see. It's volumes, selling volumes coming in. At least on the 15-minute chart. Volume is coming in here. Later, AYO. Later, dude. Yeah, I'm only gonna stick around like another 5 more minutes. And then I'm gonna go grab myself a Pepsi. This week I'm getting fat. I'm gonna fucking get me some. I'm gonna get myself a 12-pack of Dr. Pepper, some fast food, and watch Lord of the Rings. Diabetes 1, Dave 0. This motherfucker. Yo, that's my weakness is Dr. Pepper. I could drink a fucking 36. If you go to Sam's Club, or I think Sam's Club has a 36-pack of Dr. Pepper. I could drink that whole thing in a week, dude. Later, Clay. I'm only gonna stick around like 2 more minutes. I'm actually gonna. I just want to watch NAS100. If NAS100 drops down, yeah, she's dropping down hard. Holy shit. Yeah, NAS100 is really coming down here. Struggling at this area though. More selling volume coming in here. It's definitely taking out all the. Everyone's panicking right now. Probably gonna start selling off. I don't want to jump back in this. I feel like if you're gonna jump in this, it would have been better jumping at this 25, 531 level. This level right here. I'll make it blue for you guys. Oh, I can't even see that fucker now. The orange. Yeah. But, yeah, holy shit. She's dropping now. Let's see if we keep following through. Yeah, it would be hard for me to jump in this and try and chase it. I know it's hitting my entry. It's originally hitting it's hitting our original signal entry of 25 460, and she's gonna basically hit our take profit 1 again. But I would have tried to jump in this a little bit sooner up here, like this zone right here, for a sell. You know, that's because you would have been in this like 100 points already. Now anywhere around here, you're basically trying to, in my opinion, you're just trying to, ugh, can't even fucking talk. You're trying to chase it around here. But if one's taking it, you have to basically like scalp it in a way where you're jumping in, taking some profit off, adjusting your stop loss to break even. Wow, it just fucking blew through my take profit. It just blew through our take profit 2. It's almost at our take profit 3. Oh my god. Yeah, wow. That's a big drop, man. Holy shit. I mean, technically it's a win. Technically it is a win. Because I mean, like, you could easily jump back in it. Yeah, I mean, I'm calling it as a win for sure. Because like I said, the way the signals stand is you jump back in. So, so I'm definitely calling it as a win. Yeah, NAS100 is really bleeding out now. I mean, we knew it was coming. Just a matter of when. So I could have jumped back in, but it's whatever. But yeah, that's officially it for me, guys. So I'm gonna end the stream here. I am officially ending the stream. So I'll catch you guys probably Monday. So I'll catch you guys Monday. Have a safe weekend. Cheers. And